Certainly felt like beach weather yesterday with temperatures reaching up to around 80 degrees, and we've only fallen back to the mid to upper 50s to around 60. Kind of a mix of clouds and clear sky overhead right now in Chapel Hill. 56 degrees the temperature at UNC, 60 degrees on campus at NC State. That moonlight filtering through the high and mid-level clouds. We will see a mix of clouds and sunshine once the sun comes up. It's less than an hour and a half away now. Temperatures anywhere from the mid-50s to the low 60s. 54 degrees, the cool spot in Roanoke Rapids and in South Hill, Virginia. Right behind it, 55 degrees in Lewisburg, 62 degrees in Raleigh. Only 59 in Durham, but those temperatures both well above average. 63 in Pinehurst is our warm location. We're going to stay steady around 60 degrees for the next couple of hours. Pleasantly mild as you're heading out the door this morning, and we'll see enough sunshine along with those strong southwesterly winds to warm us up to the mid-70s already by noon, right around 80 degrees this afternoon, hour by hour, with more clouds gradually building in, filtering the sunshine, but that southwesterly wind will overcome any lack of sun and help to boost our temperatures to about 7 or 8 degrees above average. Still breezy this evening. Just keep both hands on the wheels. You're making your way out and about. That's never a bad idea, but that wind out of a warm direction helping to boost us to the low 80s for Fayetteville and the Sand Hills. Nice weather for the Woodpeckers home opener this evening. The coastal plain also at or above 80 degrees in most locations, just maybe a degree below as you head farther north along I-95. Upper 70s to around 80 degrees along the Virginia state line, just above 80 degrees for high temperatures in the Triangle. Average high is 73, so we will be well above that. One more dry day in store for us today before things change tomorrow. Futurecast shows some of the cloud cover building in. That cloud cover really thickens tonight, and we could see a few showers on the map by early tomorrow morning. This is not the main concern. This is going to be shower activity, and actually you should be rooting for rain tomorrow morning. I know that sounds weird because the morning commute always becomes just a mess when it's raining, but early rain, the longer it sticks around, the more it rains, the more it stabilizes the atmosphere before we see one round of storms moving through by late morning into early afternoon. These are going to have kind of a borderline severe weather threat. Can't rule it out, but it's not the main event. That's going to move in from the west by late afternoon into the evening hours. So by 5 o'clock, it's knocking on our doorstep. By 6 o'clock, it's moving in. By 7 o'clock, it's moving through the Triangle. Gusty straight line winds, but we could get little areas of rotation embedded within this line of thunderstorms, possibility of some large hail, and you see it kind of takes its time making its way across central North Carolina as we go through the evening and early overnight hours, which means it's a several-hour severe weather threat. And we can't rule out the possibility of localized flooding as these storms just kind of move off to the east at their own pace. Still some lingering showers out there by 2 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. Enhanced risk of severe weather is the categorization from the Storm Prediction Center. That's level 3 out of 5. So that means it's a significant severe weather threat for all of central North Carolina. Damaging wind, the main concern, but tornadoes, hail, localized flooding, frequent lightning, all on the list of possibilities as well. Cooler, well, showery out there for Easter Saturday. Temperatures only in the mid-60s. I can't rule out an early shower Easter Sunday. Then we warm up to around 70. Upper 70s on Monday, then back to around 80 Tuesday and Wednesday. Real quick